What's up, YouTube? This is Bullseye8231, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change the speed feed head on an Echo weed eater. So this is an old school SRM Echo weed eater that I'm going to be putting the new speed feeder head on, and so I'm going to kind of show you how to do that. These heads are a lot more efficient and work really well, a lot better than the old traditional ones. And so this particular speed feed can fit on any Echo SRM model. If you have a different kind of model, just make sure you buy the correct speed feeder that fits your particular model. Like I said, this is an older one, so this is the old gray style Echo. But if we go up here to the top, the only thing you're going to need is a ratchet with a 13 millimeter, that's this right here, and then a new speed feed head to put on the actual weed eater. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right in. We're gonna take this head off. All right, and then you'll see the bolt there. So we're gonna take our 13 millimeter and we're going to, I'm gonna have to hold this, but basically you just hold this with your hand like this and work it off, and then we'll be ready to put the speed feed head on. All right, so once you get this loose, you're just gonna take all these little components off like so, and then you're just gonna lift this entire old assembly up, and it should leave the weed eater exposed like so. You'll also notice there are some holes here, and so there's a slot here to slide a pin. And so what you want to do is position your shaft to that hole, and you're going to stick a small piece of metal or nail or whatever you have to hold this in place while we deal with this shaft up top. So let me grab something to stick it in there, and I'll show you how to loosen this shaft. All right, so I put a pair of needle nose here in the shaft. As you can see now, the shaft is locked, it can't spin, and I'm gonna take a 3/4 wrench, and I've broken it free. And then what we're gonna do is simply unscrew this in its entirety. This is reverse threads, so it's backwards. So if you're normally used to spinning things righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, it's gonna be opposite of that because these are reverse threads on this specific model. And so now that that's done, we're gonna take this. You don't need this anymore. It's for the old style. We're gonna take our speed feeder. It already has a nut in there, and we're gonna put that in place, and we're going to begin to tighten it. Remember, it's backwards, so it's gonna spin on here like so. And what you're gonna do is not grab the top, you're gonna try to grab the bottom, this bottom part, and you're just gonna tighten it all the way up till it's good and snug. And then once you're done with that, you can pull your needle nose out, and the speed feeder is ready to go and start cutting grass again. This is a super easy procedure, and it's a lot more efficient for your weed eater to have one of these, and so I would definitely recommend it. If you have any questions or comments below, feel free to drop those, and I'll try to respond. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful.